welcome to another YouTube video, bro. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make and Ntate Stunna type of beat, for when he goes hard on the bars. So I started off with this sample. It's from YouTube. I downloaded it from YouTube, chopped it up, and yeah, this is the name of the sample if you wanna go check it out. And it sounds, so I added an EQ and a reverb, and it sounds like this. Yeah, after that I added this bass. This bass is just a simple bass, man. It just has like slides at the ending part of the note. Together with the sample, it sounds like this. And after that, we're still on the melody. I added these keys. So the reason why I did two of them is because I wanted to have some difference with the notes. As you can see here, this one is D, C, and G, right? And then the strumming is also different. And with this one, as you can see, it's C, D, and then G. So the G from that one is here. They sound like this. Then after that, I added this bass. It's from Fruity. No, it's from Purity, not Fruity. What? It's from Purity. And it sounds like this. It's a muted guitar. After that, I added this brass for that impact vibes. Here it is. So it's two brasses that I layered. I don't think there's two. Yeah, it's three of them. This one is from Africa drum kit. So together I layered them with these ones, so they sound like this for that impact. Then I added this choir as well. This choir is from TP Essentials. You can go check it out. Yeah, from that one I added this one, this flate. And it's not a flate, it's a whistle. Call it a whistle, call it a flate if you're South African. Then from there I went and did this hi-hat. Someone said this hi-hat looks kind of complex, but it's actually not. Sounds like this though. So I layered two snares, this one and this one. This one has like a high, then this one has like a low and mid-range, so I layered them together. And yeah, the hi-hat, I just did something like this for a bounce and played with the velocities. Nothing really complicated. And then this one for like, hi-hat rolls. After that, we went to the kick. With the kick, I decided to make it a little bit complicated, but I chopped it up in the playlist. Over here, as you can see, I've been chopping it up. But this side, this is how I layered it like initially. Then here it's a little bit fast here, fast pacing and stuff, Then I added the 808. Now with the 808, it's also same kind of story. I chopped it up and did some differentiations, yeah, still a correct term, for some sections. So as you can see here, we have two 808s. Right. So this is this part, and then this part is also a different pattern. And here also, this is where it gets a little bit complicated. It's also a different pattern. So here it sounds like this. Just some slides and stuff. Then this one is just like, open. It's actually a hi-hat that I decided to use as like an accent head. So from there on, I added these, it's a log drum. And then I layered it with this grime bass. This bass I kind of used in drill beats. Then after that, I went and I did this thing. This is actually a loop from How God Super crazy, right? So I decided to like chop it up. By the way, some of these sounds are gonna be in my next drum kit, so be on the lookout. It's like a tsuki. I like that. Yeah, I added this open hair as well from this loop. The reason I added this one, it sounds more original, like it was like played on a drum set. I also took this flute. It's an effect from my drum kit, as you can see. This one is just me yelling TP, so this is gonna be in my next drum kit as well. Super crazy, right? Yeah, I was just playing around and I just recorded that. It sounded dope, so I used it. Yeah, so I just added some drum fills. By the way, these drum fills are new. They're gonna be in my next drum kit, so be on the lookout as well. And yeah, if you like the content over here, man, leave a subscribe and also leave a like. And yeah, keep it simple. Peace.